In this video, we're going to show you how to create links and backlinks in Obsidian. Links and backlinks are among the most powerful features in Obsidian. They allow you to connect related notes, build relationships between ideas, and create a network of knowledge that becomes more valuable as your vault grows. Without links, notes can remain isolated, making it harder to navigate between related topics and discover important connections. The good news is that Obsidian makes it easy to create links between notes and automatically tracks backlinks for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create links, view backlinks, and use both features to organize your notes more effectively. So, let's get started. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Next, open the note where you want to create a link. Place your cursor where you'd like the link to appear. Now type two opening square brackets. As soon as you type the brackets, Obsidian will display a list of notes from your vault. Start typing the name of the note you want to link to. Select the note from the suggestions list. Obsidian will automatically create a link to that note. If the note doesn't exist yet, simply type a new note name and press enter. Obsidian will create a link, allowing you to create the note later. To open a link's note, simply click on the link. Obsidian will immediately navigate to that note. Now let's look at backlinks. Open any note in your vault. On the right sidebar, locate the Backlinks panel. If you don't see it, open the right sidebar and enable the Backlinks view. The Backlinks panel automatically displays all notes that link to the current note. This means that you can instantly see where a note is referenced throughout your vault. Backlinks are created automatically whenever another note links to the current note. There's no need to create them manually. As you add more links, your backlinks network will continue to grow. This can help you discover relationships between topics and navigate information more efficiently. In most situations, combining links and backlinks is one of the best ways to build a connected knowledge system in Obsidian. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create links by typing double square brackets and selecting a note. Second, use links to connect related notes throughout your vault. Third, open the Backlinks panel to see which notes reference the current note. And finally, use both links and backlinks to build a connected network of information. Remember that links help you move from one note to another, while backlinks help you understand how notes are connected across your vault. These features are especially useful for research, project management, personal knowledge management, and long-term note organization. The more thoughtfully you connect your notes, the more valuable your knowledge base becomes over time. Taking a few moments to create meaningful links can greatly improve navigation and information discovery. And that's how to create links and backlinks in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of Obsidian. If there's another Obsidian feature or plugin you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.